Hello students, good morning. Standard 7, class 20, sentence pattern. Grammar book page number 14 and 15. Sentence pattern. What is sentence? You know very well. A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. And a sentence must have a verb. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or question mark or exclamatory form. Besides a verb, a sentence may contain other parts of speech such as pronoun, adjective, adverb, etc. And sentence pattern is an arrangement of words. This arrangement needs to be in a grammatically correct structure. It means the placement of nouns and verbs should be correct to form a meaningful sentence. Without the correct placement of words, we cannot express our thoughts properly while speaking or writing. In order to make our sentence meaningful and effective, we will have to learn how to make correct sentence using different patterns. Okay students, now take your grammar book and turn to the page number 14. Basically, there are 5 types of sentence patterns. The first type of sentence pattern is subject plus verb. You know very well what is subject. Subject is a noun or pronoun. And verb is an action word or an auxiliary verb. Examples: birds fly and giant swims. Here, birds is a subject and fly is a verb. Giant is a subject and swims is a verb. The second type of sentence pattern is subject plus verb plus object. Here, object is like subject, noun or pronoun, but object comes at the end of the sentence. Example: they had dinner. They subject, had verb, what they had, dinner. So that is a object. I played the sitar. Here, I subject, play, verb. What I play, the sitar. The sitar is a object. And third sentence pattern is subject plus verb plus complement. What is complement? Complement is an expression that help to complete the meaning of a predicate. Example, you see, dad is busy. Here, dad is subject, is a verb, and busy is a complement. Without this complement, the sentence will not be completed. The second example, Radha became a teacher. Here, Radha is a subject, became is a verb. A teacher is a complement. Then fourth type of sentence pattern is subject plus verb plus direct object plus indirect object. Example, you see, mother gave me a present. Here, mother is a subject, gave is a verb. What did mother give? A present. A present is a direct object. To whom she gives? To me. So, me is a indirect object. And the second example, Miss Manjula teaches us English. Here, Miss Manjula is a subject and teaches verb. What she teaches? English. English is a direct object. To whom she teaches? Us. Us is a indirect object. Fifth sentence pattern is subject plus verb plus object plus complement. Example, you see, they named the baby Cinderella. Here, they is a subject, named verb. The baby is a object, and what they named Cinderella is a complement. And we elected him monitor of the class. Here, we is a subject, elected is a verb, him is a object, indirect object, and monitor of the class is a complement. Okay, let us see some exercises from our book. Roman letter 1, subject plus verb. Frame subject plus verb sentences using the following verb. Verbs are given. By using the verb, we have to make a sentence. First one is sleep. Ramya sleeps is the sentence. Second one, was playing. Kannan was playing. Third one, will be leaving. My mother will be leaving. And fourth one, has been punished. He has been punished. Danced. Neela danced. And the second pattern, subject plus verb plus object, page number 15, Roman letter 2, frame subject plus verb plus object patterns using the following verbs. First one, like. I like music. Second one is eating. He is eating banana. Third one was painting. Sam was painting the wall. Fourth one, had been watching. They had been watching the match. Fifth one, will. I will complete my project. Then third pattern, subject plus verb plus complement. Here also some verbs given. By using the verb we have to make sentences. First one, was pleased. He was pleased with the opportunity. Then second one, became. Became is a verb. Rajesh became a doctor. And third one, am. I am a teacher. Fourth one, appeared. The sky appeared dark. And fifth one, seemed. The little girl seemed fresh and rosy. You can write your own sentences also. Then fourth type of sentence, subject plus verb plus direct plus indirect object. Fourth Roman letter C, rearrange the words to form sentences of the type subject plus verb plus direct plus indirect object. First one, gave me mother for my birthday a pen. How we can write? Mother gave me a pen for my birthday. And the next one is telling the teacher the children to a story. The teacher is telling a story to the children is the answer. Then third one, my friend, a letter to am writing. I am writing a letter to my friend is the answer. Fourth one, sent a big for my uncle, my birthday, me delicious cake. My uncle sent me a big delicious cake for my birthday is the answer. Can send to friends through emails via computer. Answer is, we can send emails to friends through a computer. Okay students, I hope you all have understood the chapter sentence pattern. Watch the video carefully and do the exercises in your grammar book very neatly and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. See you soon.